Hello everyone and welcome to CAD/CAM/CE tutorials. Here in this video we'll see how to combine or merge two bodies into a single body or multiple bodies into a single body. So as you can see on the screen, we are having two bodies or two parts, and let's say we want to merge it into a single part. For that we will go to the insert, features, and select here the combined feature. Once we'll select this feature, it will ask us the type of the operation that we want to perform. So here in this video, we'll see how to add two or more parts into a single part. So here in this example, we want to merge or combine these two parts into a single part. So first we need to select this add. Then we need to select all the parts or the bodies that we want to merge or combine. And later on, just click on OK. Once you click on this OK, here you can find this new part, or we can say here it has combined these two parts into a single part. So after this operation, it will act as a single part. An interesting fact about the combine option is that it will only act, or it will only be performed when two bodies are touching or intersecting with each other. Let's take an example here that we are having two bodies which are not touching or intersecting with each other. And let's try to perform the same operation. So we'll go to the insert, features, and we'll select here the combine option and select here add and select both the bodies. Once you'll select both the bodies and click OK, it will show the error message. It is because of that these two bodies are not touching or intersecting with each other, and it cannot combine these two bodies into a single body. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, then please hit on the like button and subscribe to this channel, CAD/CAM/CE tutorials. Thanks.